In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF Viewer on Wix. If you want visitors to read a PDF directly on your site without downloading it first, the built-in app marketplace makes this quick and reliable. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so it looks great on your page. Start in the Wix editor with the page you want to use open. On the left-hand side, click the App Market. In the search bar, type Doc Viewer. You'll see a document viewer app designed to embed PDFs. Click to open its details, then install it to your site. The install only takes a moment, and when it's done, you'll have access to the viewer element you can place anywhere on your page. Next, look to the top left of the editor and click the plus icon, also known as Add. From there, go to App Widgets. This is where Wix groups all the elements that come from installed apps. Find the Doc Viewer and select it. Now just drag its element onto your page. As you move it around, alignment guides will help you position it neatly with your other content. You can resize it by grabbing the corners or edges so it fits the space you have in mind and is comfortable to read on both desktop and mobile layouts. With the viewer on your page, click the element to open its options, then choose Settings. Inside the Settings panel, change the document so it points to your PDF. You can upload a file from your computer or pick one you've already added to your site's media library. If the app offers a URL option, make sure the link is publicly accessible so visitors can see it. Give the upload a moment to process. Larger files may take an extra few seconds. Once the PDF is connected, the viewer will load a preview right in the editor. This is a good time to check that the first page looks crisp, the scrolling feels smooth, and the size is comfortable. If you want it to appear larger or smaller, simply adjust the element's bounding box. Depending on the app's settings, you may also see options like showing a toolbar, enabling zoom controls, or displaying page thumbnails. Choose what best matches your design and your audience's needs. That's all. You've installed the Doc Viewer from the App Market, added its widget to your page, and linked it to your PDF. Your visitors can now read the document directly on your site in a clean, professional-looking viewer.